Okay, so for example number 6, we're drawing the snowman with 46 lines of code. Here it is, circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, and the buttons, that's it. Okay, and if you're new to doing Python, I'm really suggesting here Trinket.io, a great free website to do little projects. And if you're just joining us, this is example number 6. Lots more projects before in Python, JavaScript, and in Scratch. Okay. And what I'm doing here is I'm just setting up the 46 lines of code, and these are the different sections. The title, we have circle number 1, and the code will go after the green title, and circle number 2, and the code will go after that, circle number 3, and the code will go after that, and the buttons. And remember, the green hashtags just mean it's a comment, help explain our code. Okay, line by line, we'll start with line 1, and we'll do import turtle. That'll give us all our turtle commands. And then in the title area, we'll pick the pen up, so we can go to pretty high up on the screen and kind of top left corner area. Okay, and we're going to start by writing a message, the title, saying the snowman. And we're going to have the font will be times, that's in the brackets and quotes, and the number 40 for the font size. Nice big title. And then we're going to go a little bit lower, so minus 75, 120. This will be just a little lower, and we're going to write 46 lines of code. That's how many lines of Python for this turtle drawing example. And again, the font will be times. And don't forget the red font and the blue for the font size. And yes, there are 2 brackets at the end of line 6 and line 8. And click the blue run button up at the top to see your title. Okay, that's done. Moving on to circle number 1. We're going to start with the go-to of, just to position it a little bit lower. And then we're going to do a pen down to put the pen down to let us draw. And then we're going to set our color as light blue. Color and fill color will be the same in this example, as you'll see. And the circle will be 30. And don't forget our begin fill and our end fill sandwich to fill in our circle. And again, we're done circle 1. So click the blue run button up at the top. Okay, coming over to circle number 2, and we're going to do our pen up and pen down sandwich, which lets us move without drawing. And we're doing a right 170 and forward 10. We're just positioning the pen where we want it before we put it back down. And we're going to use the color light green, and we're going to do a circle of 45. And remember that light green won't work until we do a begin fill and end fill sandwich around our circle. Click that run button up at the top, circle 1, and circle 2, blue and green. And now we'll do circle 3 in pink. Okay, for our snowman. So don't forget pen up and pen down sandwich to move without drawing. And then we'll go a little bit, turn a little bit to the left. And we are going to move forward quite a bit to position our circle, because the circles draw, the big circle will draw at the bottom. Then there's our pink color and leaves a little space, and there's a circle. And to get that pink color working, we'll need a begin fill and end fill sandwich. Excellent. Okay, circle 3 is done. Click that blue run button up at the top to play out all our code. And there are our 3 circles, blue, green, and pink. And all what we have left are the buttons at the bottom. Okay, so slide on down. And for the last lines of code, we'll do another pen up. Excellent. And we don't have to put the pen back down because we're only using go to and dot. So we don't have to draw with the pen. And we're going to alternate go to dot, etc. Okay, so we're going to go to 0, 30. That'll position us right in the green circle there. And then the dots will be size 20 for the snowman buttons. And we're going to go 20 steps less. So the second number will go 30, then 10, then -10. 20 spaced apart. Run it, and what do you know? We got our 3 circles and our buttons. Oh, one final thing, the buttons are pink, so we don't have to use the fill color or the begin fill, end fill sandwich, but if we change the color to black, our dots will be filled in black. Okay, so let's see those dots, and now let's watch it again in full screen. And we are done. 3 circles, 3 buttons. The Snowman title, 3 circles, and 3 buttons.